Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a very nice social media layout for later use. You can go here and you can use existing layouts. When you go in the layout section, go and find out this layout, what is called in shape, and click here. And this one, the home page, you just import this layout, and now go completely in the bottom. Here you can see there is this social media things, and you can change the color whatever the way you would like it to be changed. And now you can see those logos. So when you're hovering over them, you can see that Facebook is turning into blue, Twitter is turning into blue as well. So the main color is appearing when you're hovering over them. So you can go here and you can increase the image size as well. There are many sizes, you can see. And also what you can do is that you can create a space. So you can go here and look at the spacer. And if you want one more, let's say for Pinterest, what you do is just duplicate. And you see it has the same space. You go here, go in the icon, and find out Pinterest. And you got it, you import it, and it is there. So you see, now you can also change this color maybe to a little bit greenish to just design a little bit different than usual. Now to use it later, you can go here and save. So it is already saved in your blocks. So how you can bring it again whenever you want. So just delete this layout. Now it's completely new. And you start creating your own page. Let's say you have a text here. And now under this text, you want that social media block. It's that one. And now you can see that you already saved it from some other layouts, and you can use it whenever you want and in whatever the pages you want. Thank you very much.